What up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? This is your Captain Manny. Today's video, guys, we're gonna be doing a 6G test, practice test. All right. I have a 6-inch pipe, Schedule 40, right here. This one's, I found them laying around, much cleaner than the last video. And somebody asked for this test for me to do. So pretty much it's a 6G. This certification I got back in 2015, right when I came out of the welding program that I went to. And it's a 6G, guys. 60-10 root right here, 70-18 all the way out. So hot pass and fill has to be done with 70-18. And then you do the cap with 70-18. I remember when I did the test, I did 2 cap 70-18. I think that's what I'm gonna do today too. So this certification will get you some jobs in some places. If you show up to a weld to a weld job and they ask for this certification, sometimes they'll send you. You have to pay for it. Like here in Arizona, this one got me like 2 jobs. When they don't test you right there, they just want this card, and that pretty much shows, you know, that you took the test. It's like $300. This one, the school that I went to paid for it, but right now it's like $350. So that's what we're doing today, guys. We're doing a 6G, 6-inch, 60-10 root, 70-18 all the way out. All right, so it's a beautiful day again here in Arizona, guys. It's like 80 degrees. I know it's gonna get hot. Are you guys ready? All right, well, without further ado, let's get started. right, my sexy welding people from YouTube, you guys already know it is hot outside, so we're gonna take a break, let the pipe cool down so we can cap it. And now I'm gonna show you another drink, one of my favorites. This one is easier than the other one. For this one, we're just gonna need a lemon, fresh lemon. You already know, we're gonna squish it good, and then we're gonna cut it nice and easy. We're gonna squish it into the glass. Oh, there you go. Put it in the glass like so. Yeah. Then we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a tiny bit. All right. And then we're gonna add the ice. All right. Put some ice in there. All right. Then we're gonna add tequila. All right, just a tiny bit of tequila, 32 ounces, like that. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. All right, just a little bit. And el pilon. Damn. I like it strong. All right, and then we're gonna use some squirt. All right, we're gonna pour it in there. Ooh. Nice. And then all we have to do left is stir a little bit. Ooh-wee. And this is called the Paloma. All right, you guys enjoy, take a little break, let the pipe cool down, and pa dentro. I love it. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna finish my drink, and then we're gonna go back and cap that pipe. All right. All right, my sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today's video, guys. Today we did a 6G test. As you can see here, the root came out all right. It's not the best, but I think it's passable. You know, this is practice, but definitely can get better. I did 3 beat. It didn't need the third pass really, but I did it to practice a little bit more. Just with a 2 pass, I think would have been good. And sometimes the instructors or whoever is doing the test, they will tell you, hey, just 2 passes is good. Last time when I did this, I was gonna do a third pass, and they told me just 2, because I don't know. Some places you get to cut the coupons, some places you don't. When I took the test back in the day, I didn't cut the coupons. They cut them, so they don't want 3 passes because they had to grind it maybe. So they just want 2, and as long as it passed the visual, you know, it's good. All right. So just remember, do whatever you have to do to stay comfortable when you're welding. You know, you can put this. I use this too. You can use a wrench, you know, to get comfortable. whatever you have to do, the more comfortable you are when you're welding, whatever 7018 or whatever it is, the better. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you guys like the Paloma recipe. All right, but that was it for today's video, guys. All right, stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and don't get sick.